Oh, nice, fresh, new electrode now. Brand new. So hopefully this one goes a lot better. Bloopers, I'm not that embarrassed. So I'll be posting anyway. See how we went. Right, well, here it is, and yeah, that we got stuck right at the end there, but we still got almost through the whole electrode, and that's kind of what we ended up with. I have been watching videos, proper videos, not just dickheads like myself, and that's starting to look somewhat resemblance wise, but not that great. But let's clean it up with the grinder. That's what I'm thinking. Alright, let's give it a shot. Yeah, what do you think, guys? I mean, is that better than yesterday? I don't know, something's telling me that it is. Alright, tell me what you think, guys.